Opening an Edvest 529 college savings account is an exciting first step toward planning for the future. Whether you're saving for your child, grandchild, a family friend, or even yourself. Start by going to edvest.com and select Open an Account. Review and collect all the information you'll need for the account opening process. Your full name, date of birth, mailing address, Social Security number or ITIN, email address, phone number, and your bank account information if you're planning to fund the account electronically. You'll also need similar details for the person you're saving for, called the beneficiary. Once you're ready, click Start Enrollment to begin. You'll first be asked to create your login credentials. This includes your name and email address, along with choosing a username and password. After entering this information, click Create Login. Next, you'll enter your contact information. You'll also provide your Social Security number or ITIN and your date of birth. Once that's complete, click Next to move forward. The next screen will ask for your current address. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code. Then click Next. Now you'll be prompted to select who you're saving for. You can choose from options such as a child, a grandchild, a niece or nephew, yourself, or someone else. If the child you want to save for hasn't been born yet, click the Beneficiary is not born yet link on this page to learn about your options to start saving. After making your beneficiary selection, click Next to proceed. You will then need to enter the beneficiary's information, including name, Social Security number or ITIN, date of birth, and address if it is not the same as yours. Click Next to proceed. Now you'll be asked how you would like to make the required initial contribution to your new account, either as a one-time contribution or by selecting Skip this step, setting up recurring contributions. If you are making a one-time contribution, continue on this page by selecting to transfer funds directly from a bank account, send a check by mail, or roll over funds from an existing 529 plan. If you select a bank transfer, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details and the amount you'd like to contribute. If you choose to mail a check, the system will provide a printable deposit slip at the end of the account opening process. This slip must be mailed with your check to complete the funding process. If you're rolling over funds from another 529 plan, you'll need to enter information about the previous plan, including the plan name and the amount being transferred. After entering the details, you'll click Next. You now have the option to set up recurring contributions, which are automatic deposits that can be scheduled from your bank account or payroll. To do this, simply fill out the required information. If you're setting up electronic funds transfer, your bank must be a member of the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH. Also, contributions made by electronic funds transfer will not be available for withdrawal for 8 business days. If your recurring contributions are being made via payroll, be sure to print the forms and follow the instructions provided once you have completed your enrollment. Recurring contributions are a great way to stay consistent with your savings goals. Many account owners find it helpful to set an annual increase on their recurring contributions. This small step can make a big difference in helping you meet your long-term savings goals. If you'd like to include that, simply choose the amount you'd like to increase by each year and click Next. If you're not ready to set up recurring contributions, you can select the option that says Not right now and continue with the enrollment. Next, you'll choose your investment strategy. Edvest 529 offers 2 approaches. The first is the Keep It Simple strategy. In this approach, we identify the enrollment year portfolio that aligns with your beneficiary's age, and the portfolio automatically adjusts over time to become more conservative as the beneficiary's enrollment year approaches, without any extra work from you. The second approach allows you to build your own investment portfolio. If you choose this route, you'll be able to select your investment allocation through specific portfolios. Details on each portfolio are available on the next screen. Account owners may make changes to their investment portfolios up to twice annually. Once you've selected your investment strategy and are satisfied with your portfolio choices, click Confirm Portfolio Selection to continue. If you're saving for more than one person, like another child or grandchild, You have the option to open an additional 529 account under your profile, and it allows you to manage each account independently with one login. If you want to add another beneficiary, select Yes, Add Another Beneficiary. If not, click No, Let's Finish Up. Before completing your enrollment, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. This includes your personal information, beneficiary details, funding preferences, and investment selections. Once everything looks good, be sure to acknowledge the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Then click Open Account to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully opened an Edvest 529 college savings account. This is an important milestone in your education savings journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Your future self and your future student will thank you.